Kaya na kayo. Yes. Okay, smell lovely ba po? Videographer na, photographer pa.
Sama ka, Ina. Bernice, dasod konti. Sama, okay. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Wow naman, pagka, pati naman.
Kuya Jessie, doon sa kabilang side.
Oy!
Ito, picture. Yeah, okay. Bernice, ha, dasod ka yan. Okay.
Hello.
1,
Thank you so much for coming
1, 2, 3, smile.
and celebrating with us. I know it's been a long journey from Manila and some from United States.
Oy, doon ka. Para ka, para kang background. Doon ka sa gitna. Mahaba naman yan. Sige na.
Dito po yung birthday.
Dyan ba? O, sige, sige.
So may I please invite everyone to come to the first floor. So we're gonna start our program in a few minutes.
Wow, may program. Nalabas na kami yung mga dancers, ha?
Yes sir.
Two-piece,
Meron din po mga
baiting,
tatanod sa inyo.
mga baiting suits. Ganyan, naka ano? Wow, si Carl, multitasking, oh. Ha? Galing naman. Ano ba yan? Mga ano, triseta? Okay. Ito sa kabilang side naman. Baka tumagilid tayo. Kabilang side na po. Doon! Yeah! Supply.
Alam, ikaw din mag-supply ka.
Hoy! Kailangan ko helmet. Nililipad yung buhok. Kailangan helmet.
Alright, so to start off, we may kindly invite Ms. Bernice for the opening prayers and the birthday celebrant, Mr. Bernice, the birthday celebrant.
Okay, let's start.
Take a moment and may I kindly ask you to stand up for the prayer.
Oh, prayer.
Let's pray.
everyone to grab a glass for the opening toasts for the birthday celebration.
To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, happy birthday. Okay, cheers, cheers. Cheers. Okay, drink. Yeah. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
So, I would like to invite the birthday celebrant to give us a welcome message for everyone.
Hello. Hi. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome and thank you for attending. And you're able to make it. Sige, one more. On my birthday. Try tomorrow siya. But then, thank you guys. So, I just want to tell everyone, I'm turning 35 tomorrow. And then I hope you guys enjoy tonight. And then, that's it. Let's party! Yay!
Dalawang beses tayo So our next activity, we will have a quick game. So it's really a very quick game. Yeah, as per the celebrant, it's a quick game. Yeah. Okay, so we have a prize. So everyone who will answer correctly will earn 100 pesos. Of course. So, everyone is open to raise their hand first. Okay, the celebrant is going to decide. Sige, ako na lang. Okay, for the first question. Napakahirap na ito. What year was the birthday celebrant born? Ulit.
Teka. May pay.
Once I say go, you can raise your hand. Relax lang, 100 lang mo. Okay, again. Ito na, first question.
Okay.
Who taught her to sell and what age did she start?
Ang lalim.
What age did she start?
What?
Okay. Mali na po yun. Mali. Tita. Para sa... What? Okay, let me rephrase the question. What year did she start to learn to sell by her own? What year was she in? Okay, I give you a clue. Lower. Lower ka. Okay, nanalo si TJ. 8 years old. Like, 8 ba si Tita? Oh, take 50. Okay na lang. Matagal na panahon na yun, celebrant.
Nagturo sa akin magbenta.
Anong pinenta mo? Anong pinenta?
Congratulations, TJ, for winning a big prize.
Oy, ano? Ano pinenta mo? Townhouse?
Wala.
Oy, ano pinenta mo?
Ano ang pinakaunang pinenta? Go! Tita, ikaw na tiro.
Huwag mo ipahiya.
At 8 years old na po, ano po ang pinenta? 8 years old.
T-shirt!
Wait, kasama rin yun. Pagkain. Una.
You have to be specific.
Shabu! Chocolate! Okay, good!
2 pesos. So, binigyan ng chocolate. Bill ko 500. Okay, so,